If you're watching this, probably you're not happy with your job, don't know what to do in your life, or maybe you're 100% into product design and want to take a step further. Well, this is the right place for you. I am a dreamer, and I believe that everyone must follow his dreams to reach happiness in their life, and without being afraid of failure, because if you fail, at least you tried. Imagine living your life thinking about what would have happened if... if. I don't want any ifs in my life. If you're new to my channel, my name is Andrea. I'm a product designer from Italy, and on this channel we will explore product design from tools to tutorials, sharing my experience as I grow in this field. Today I want to share with you why I decided to become a UX designer, following my dreams. Before I start, I know that for my subscribers this is a huge change. Yes guys, from now on this channel will be run entirely in English. This is design language and is the only way to build a strong presence in this field. And I'm also sorry for native speakers if my English is a bit pizza pasta mozzarella. As I was saying, I decided to change my career and become a full-time product designer. I got started in graphic design when I was 16, using Photoshop and Illustrator. But then, as always, life had a different path for me. When I finished high school, I founded a startup with 2 friends and worked on it for about 4 years. During this period, I had even the opportunity to work on a mobile application, and this was really my first experience with product design, as we went through a full UX design process. But then I decided to follow the management path. And at first I felt really happy about my career and what I was doing. But then I started feeling suffocated. It was even difficult to go working every morning. And this was a really strong signal. So I decided that I had to do something. Well, it was like Google heard me, because soon after they released their professional certificates. At first, they were not available in Italy, but as soon as they opened the worldwide enrollments, I took my chance and started the course. It was 1 year ago. I was very motivated. I went through the first module in about 1 week. But then I left. I thought, what am I even doing? I'll never make it. So I remained stuck to my job. But guess what? Day by day I started feeling even worse than before. Later I found out that my reaction is really common when you're trying to change your career, and it's called imposter syndrome. But at that time I didn't know how to overcome it. I tried to go on for some months. I went working and I was not thinking about it, but then I reached the limit. I knew that this is all I want to do, so I took a step back and restarted the certificate. I worked on 3 case studies and built my portfolio. It was not easy. It is not meant to be. I had to work and learn a lot. Next step was, of course, to set up a polished resume and start searching for jobs. So in only 3 months I went from zero to actually looking at UX designer position. This is mind-blowing. Now I feel a lot better. I know what to do in my life. I'm enjoying every single second, and it's been ages since I felt so good. I'm sorry to tell you that I don't have a job already. It is an happy ending in half by now, but I took some interviews and I'm waiting for some answers. It is like a victory for me, as I just built my portfolio and hiring managers consider me over the competition. And I know this is mostly because of my startup experience. I built 3+ years in product design experience without even knowing. Maybe I receive a bunch of no. But it only takes 1 yes to change my life forever. And I'm not talking about salary. Of course UX design jobs are well paid, but when you do what you love, what you earn is less important than before. So why I made this video? Because I know that out there are a lot of people like me that close their dreams in a drawer and pass their life thinking about it. To them, I want to say, just do it. I promise you won't regret. Let me know in the comments if you're having or have had a similar experience. It is always beautiful to listen to your stories, and I'm sure This will help everyone in this situation. If you want to see other videos like this and want to follow the story of a UX designer, of course, make sure to subscribe. As always, may the force be with you. See you in the next video.